couldn't pick my cup. So guys, I was a victim last 3 weeks. Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. It's a girl, if you are Karolyne here, and this week I have a lot of activities to do, and then I just got ready because I have a seminar with our HOD around 11 p.m. and then ECG took our light since yesterday, so I woke up at 5. And then I think my battery is running down, so I have to go. I have to leave home, and this is my outfit for the day. This top, and then is the rate at which it's raining. I was a victim last 3 weeks. And I know how it feels when your room is flooded. The whole lot of stress that you go through, and the mobbing, fetching the water from the room, and rearranging your stuffs if your stuffs are wet. And I know how it's but the rate at which it's raining in Accra is so bad. I'm currently in Takoradi, so it's so bad, so you guys, please take care of yourself. When it's raining, just be in your home. When your room is flooded, just get a help somewhere, please. And I've been seeing these videos all over my FYPs, the flood. I just wish you all are safe, and all gone souls may your soul continue to rest in perfect peace. And today, my scent of the day is seeing rough day. So I'm just ready. I'm ready because it's not been raining here for a while. The day it was raining in Accra, it was just windy here, so I think the weather is okay. I have a jacket, so yeah. This is my scent of the day, and I'm ready. This is the bag I'm using for today. I'm not sure you guys can see my feet, but it's a white and black jeans with a black top, and yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm back. Okay. Light since yesterday, and I don't know what's 9:04 a.m. and still the lights are not in. Like what's see my top. I have to wear this top because all the clothes that I have to iron them, and there is no iron. So what am I going to iron? I'll just wear it like that. Yes, and then yeah, I'll catch you guys.
Direction. Pohas, as our name is affectionately called.
Hi guys, today is Thursday, and then I went for a seminar, and so I just came back, and I want to prepare some banku with okra stew, so come with me and then let's go to the kitchen. It's been a while we went to the kitchen. So guys, I've already prepped my okra and my proteins, that's meat, chicken, willy, and beef. Then my ginger, garlic, and onions. And this is a cooked okra, and my corn dough, and cassava dough. The only spices I'll be using in the onga maggi. I might not be using the onga maggi in my almighty momoni.